the bushes of Jamaica right now, crab hunting. This happens one time a year, and we just got one.
Today we're traveling across Jamaica to experience some of the island's most dangerous foods and unique traditions. Some of it pushed me outside of my comfort zone, and some of it made me wonder what actually makes a food normal. The only way to find out is to meet people who know it best and experience it with them in the places where it's part of everyday life.
So we're about to start our day off with Jamaica's national dish. We're gonna have ackee and saltfish at one of the only standing halal restaurants in Jamaica. Pleasure to meet you.
Same here, same.
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome, Ahmed. You're welcome.
I can't wait to have breakfast.
That is basically Jamaican national dish. Ackee and saltfish and the ground provision with the bananas.
Ground provisions, that's a catch-all for starchy staples like yam, sweet potato, and dasheen. The exact combination might change from plate to plate, but together they're the foundation of a meal.
This is the dasheen right here. You seen both us ask how he's so fast, you know what did he eat? You know what he tell them? The same thing, this yam and this dumpling and this banana.
It worked for Usain Bolt, but I may be starting a little too late.
Where should I dive in first? The ackee and saltfish?
The ackee and saltfish, but go with the green banana. We are one of the few countries in the world that have the banana green.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
It's a lot softer than I expected, and it's not very sweet.
Correct.
I thought the ackee and saltfish was scrambled eggs.
That's what a lot of people believe, but it's not. It's far more delicious than scrambled egg.
It's very good, and it has so much body that you don't even know that it's a fruit that got cooked. Is the ackee dangerous to eat if it's not prepared right?
If it is not prepared right, or if you actually pick it before it's open, it must burst open. Once it bursts open, release the that gas in it, and you're good to go.
Oh, you gotta take that out. Hell no. That's okay? I thought you could die. Oh. No, they told.
You cannot pick it and eat it when it's closed, when it's like that.
Why, what happens?
When it's like that, it didn't release the gas as yet, so you have to wait on it to open like this. When it's open like this, then you pick it. And when you pick it, you have to take out this part out of it. You take out the seed out of it, and then you also have to take this part out of it, the gut.
Got it. We're gonna try the yellow yam, and these are boiled, right?
Yes.
It tastes like a really good boiled potato. Jamaican food in general is just packed with flavor and just delicious.
Yes.
Healthy.
Yes.
It matches the personality of Jamaicans too.
Oh, I love that. It matches our personality.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, you know.
Jamaican hot chocolate, the first ever cup of hot chocolate was made in Jamaica. Ooh. Very nice and sweet. That's delicious. How common is drinking hot chocolate for breakfast? Is it common, like a cup of tea?
It is.
Oh, this is tea? I thought there was another thing called tea. Chocolate tea. Right? They also call rum in the morning tea. I know the vibes.
It's safe to say that tea won't be on the menu at our next stop.
So we just touched down in A.L.I Community Center, which is one of the only few mosques here in Negril. And this is actually a community center that has free food provided for the community 7 days a week. So this is a very special place to a lot of people. What are you doing with the yams?
All right, the yam is gonna go in the soup.
Chicken foot soup is a Jamaican comfort food staple, simmered with ground provisions, herbs, and spices to create a rich, hearty broth.
Do you add it at the end because it's soft?
Yes.
And it doesn't need that much time to cook?
Exactly, so true, so true.
I've never had chicken feet in my life, by the way, ever.
So it's the first time you're gonna try it, right?
Yeah, first time ever.
Wherever you're going in here, chicken foot, chicken neck with red peas, that's a vibe of our culture, all right? And we are also doing oxtail, stewed oxtail with Jamaican white rice.
I mean, this is kind of what the channel is all about. I'm always preaching about mixing food and culture. And we're eating chicken foot soup, literally street side in the middle of Negril, Jamaica. And this is freaking awesome. Like, I'm really living my dream. They just told me you gotta just dive in. Bismillah. It tastes like regular dark meat and skin, honestly. It doesn't taste anything crazy. I never knew I'd like sucking on feet so much. I wanted to see what real Jamaicans are actually eating inside their homes. I didn't want just the stuff that you find at the resort.
Very nice. I love this soup.
Tell me what it means to you. Did you grow up eating it?
Yes, from a childhood, but like I said, it's a traditional Jamaican thing. Chicken foot, red peas with cow skin. Awesome.
Nice MSG umami flavor from the the cock soup mix, and it's so hearty. I feel like this is like Jamaica's bowl of chili, if you will. So we're eating meringue, and if you eat like 5 of them and then you drink water, it tastes like sugar. Oh, that one was way better. The first one you gave me was too bitter. All right, I'm 3 down. I ate just 2 right now. Oh wow, it's kind of cool. Hey, that's kind of sick. It's a little sweet. It tastes kind of like the sugar cane. Am I bugging? I swear I feel like everyone is in on a prank right now.
Nah, it's water. Though you taste it the first time, it tastes like water. No, it tastes like sugar is in it, innit?
It is. That's actually pretty cool.
My chef experience is all about like from home.
Okay.
From my mom, grandmom, and then, you know, specialize in grow older, go to school, do like some practical stuff, and I get familiar and till it became my passion.
And I've been eyeing that oxtail for so long. I cannot wait to try the oxtail. Jamaican oxtail is out of this world.
While the oxtail slowly cooked, we passed around bowls of chicken foot soup, traded stories, and got to know each other as more people gathered in the yard. By the time the sun began to set, we were praying side by side and experiencing the kind of community that reminds you that understanding the world begins with seeing yourself in people whose lives may look nothing like your own.
We just got out of prayer and the oxtail soup is finally done.
Oxtail is a Jamaican comfort food favorite, slowly braised with spices and butter beans until the meat is tender and the gravy is rich.
For me, this is some of the best bites of the cow. It has a lot of browning, which is burnt sugar, a lot of vegetables, a lot of scotch bonnet, so this is nice and spicy. And as always, now bismillah. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is jello in the best way possible. It's fatty, it has a really nice kick, and the broth just ties everything together. It's very, very complex in flavor. You know, Jamaican stews are just packing with flavor. Oh my God, this is some of the best food you'll ever have. Like, it's that good. It's the middle of the night and we're going crab hunting. This is like a family event, right? Yeah. This happens once a year. It's crab season. It's about a couple weeks only, right?
So right now we're going up to Orange Hill, I believe, because they want to get a specific type of crab.
Okay.
They say it's the black crab.
So black and blue, right?
Yeah, exactly. Up there it's very rocky. And
Crab hunting in Jamaica is a super cool nighttime tradition that typically starts in April and peaks in the summer. A lot of Jamaicans grew up crab hunting with their parents and passed the tradition down to their own children. If you couldn't tell, I was very excited, but honestly I was a little nervous because I had no idea what to expect.
They're getting out, they're getting out. Yeah. Oh, that's the blue crab, right? Oh, Andrew, okay. Okay. We are in the bushes of Jamaica crab hunting. This is a rare midnight activity. We just caught a crab and we're gonna keep going.
Yeah. See how much you can fill this bucket when we go.
So Usher up there is the family crab catcher. Oh, he caught one. Oh, snap. Usher, how long you been doing this?
I'm a little kid going to school. I'm the pro.
What makes you the pro? Is just the eyes or the handles?
It's the eyes, and you gotta watch the bush. The bush they're moving.
Over here, over here. Oh, he's a big boy. Oh, that's huge. Why is the left claw way bigger?
Look, see, this one different. The belly is not that broad.
Oh, they're just lurking. Yeah, you got him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let us see.
It's a big boy. This one is a big boy.
Yes, sir. Dude, we're actually in the middle of nowhere. At least that's what it feels for me. This is kind of trippy. Middle of the night, trying to catch crabs. There's a freaking house down there with a dog just absolutely just going crazy at us. And tomorrow we're gonna cook the crab. Oh, snap. We got one. I don't know, but he's trying to bite.
It's a girl. Look, you see how this thing broad?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a girl.
All you hear is dogs barking and it's pitch black. Big boy. I got him. Yeah. I'm left-handed. I'm left-handed. Yeah. Oh, he bit me. Yeah, he bit me hard. Oh, you can't hold onto the belly. You told me from the back.
So you always have to step on the claws and grab the back like this. Look.
Yeah, I got it.
You can't put it underneath the bottom.
Look, it bit me. It's okay, it's fine. Yeah, a little bit.
Make sure you eat him.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
As a true crab hunter, you have to get bit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
No, I was hoping it was worse. This is a little boo boo.
Yeah, if you don't get bit, then you're not gonna know how to do it perfect.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah.
After a painful lesson, we found our rhythm and started pulling crab after crab out of the darkness. By the end of the hunt, the bag was full, and tomorrow's menu for our island crab cookout was set.
This one has babies, so we don't take this one. They head to the sea to wash out the egg. Yeah.
So you leave this one.
Leave this one.
Cool. Because we need more of them. That was the coolest freaking experience I've ever had in my life. It is 9:30 a.m. right now. We're about to go grab the crabs and then take them to a remote island called Booby Key. But first, we have to have breakfast.
Yeah, man. You have stewed chicken, fried dumpling, one salt mackerel, one ackee and saltfish.
So we're gonna try the mackerel, the salt mackerel, and this is like a stir fry. This is the first bite. We got some tomatoes, we got the mackerel, and it smells freaking awesome. Bismillah. Like the description, it's salty. It has a light kick. Texturally, it's pretty firm, and it has a lot of flavor going on, and it's reminding me of a really, really good canned tuna / sardine, specifically a sardine. We're gonna take a little bit of the chicken, we're gonna add it to the fried dumpling, and then very, very importantly, we're gonna take a little bit of the broth and kind of just dip it in.
Yeah.
So we could get all that flavor. Bismillah. It tastes homemade, it's delicious. I wouldn't say it's spicy, it's spiced well. The chicken just falls apart, melts in your mouth. And this really reminds me of just homemade food that I grew up eating in Syria with Jamaican flavors. And that's the beauty of a stew. Everyone has their version of it.
A lot of our food here in Jamaica, we're influenced by African, Asian, and European, As I say, our motto is out of many one people.
Brandon, breakfast was absolutely incredible. I feel like a true Jamaican right now.
After breakfast with Brandon, the rest of the crew met up with us with the crabs in hand. We were off to Booby Cay. It's a tiny island just off Negril named after the seabirds that have long gathered there. With clear water and almost nothing separating us from the sea, it was the perfect setting to turn last night's catch into lunch. Man, the water is beautiful out here. The guys wasted no time getting to work, cleaning and preparing the crab right along the shore.
Okay, teach me how to do this.
All right, first you're gonna be
Pull.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go.
Only one side.
Just take time. Okay, it's not so hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Pull it right out.
Right on.
Oh wow.
First.
Cleaning crab takes some skill, and I quickly learned I didn't have much of it.
Okay. I don't think we should eat the one I'm doing. Quick clean. It's good. It's good. Is this good?
Very good.
Oh, actually, okay.
With the crabs cleaned, we seasoned them, built the curry, and let everything slowly come together over the fire. It smelled amazing, and it was so cool to have experienced the entire process. Because authentic food isn't just about the recipe, it's about the people and traditions that bring it to life. I'm telling you, I could really get used to this island life. By the time it was ready, I just knew it was gonna taste like nothing I could have ever ordered at a restaurant.
The crab is just, the curry on the crab is, you could drink it alone.
Right.
It's spicy, it's very, very heavy in turmeric. And Chef was explaining to me that they take the turmeric, they bloom it in some oil, and then they add the roe of the crab to kind of thicken the entire stock up. So the flavor of the seafood is running throughout every single bite. This is one of my favorite meals in Jamaica.
What started way outside of my comfort zone ended up becoming one of my favorite meals and one of the most memorable experiences of my life. Thank you, Jamaica. One love.